To view your feedback on essays, go into My Grades. In My Grades, you'll see the score on your assignment. You'll get a general comment in this comment box, and you can see the rubric by clicking on View Rubric. But the best way to get all of the feedback in one area is to click on the blue link. That's the title of the assignment. This will open up the preview screen. Here you'll see, again, the general comment. You can see the rubric by clicking this icon. When you scroll through the rubric, you'll have the description of the criteria, and then where it says feedback will be my feedback and comments to you. And then the thing you can see in here as well are these little blue Post-it notes where I can write comments on your paper as I read through it. So make sure that you scroll through the end and you're opening and clicking all of these comments as you go through. And that's how you can get all three types of your feedback: the overall note, the rubric, and the inline notes.